Consuela, I trust you. I love you. Don't do it. Don't do it. Consuela, don't jump. Consuela, no. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Shark Ion robot. It's supposed to be good for pet hair. What's in the box? Oh, look at that. Rocky likes it. Alright, so let's go over everything that comes in the box. Well, first, of course, you have the box. Then, we have some congratulations on your new Shark Ion robot. So it looks like there's some instructions, owner's guide, tips and tricks. Then you have some boundary strips, so you can have the robot not go certain places. This is the charging kit, and then we have the actual robot. Alright, so step one, we're going to be setting up the charging dock, which I set up right there. It wants you to have it up against a wall, and it says 3 feet open area around it. So next it wants you to install the side brushes, which I just did. They just clip right on underneath. Those are the brushes, and as you can see, they just clip on right there. Alright, so step 3, we're going to charge the robot. So it wants you to turn on this on switch right here, which it actually has a sticker telling you to do it. Switch on before charging. So we're gonna turn that on right there, and I'm gonna put it on the charge station. It looks like it takes about 3 hours to charge, so we'll be back. Alright, so right now it is charging, and you can tell by the blue lights blinking. Once those are solid, that means it's fully charged, and then we could send it off to clean. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and prep the home for cleaning by putting the strips down, and then once this is fully charged, I'll send it on its way. Alright guys, so the iRobot's right there. And I went ahead and set up a few things around the house. I didn't have enough strips to put here, so I just kind of let that block it from going underneath my couch because I have some speaker cables. These speaker cables are running under my couch, so I don't want that to pick it up and run it over and kind of suck it in the vacuum. Here's the strip that's supposed to stop it from going across, so we'll be testing that out. We'll see how dogs react to it, so that's why he's here. Here I have stairs, so I'll be standing over there just to make sure that the vacuum doesn't fall. It's supposed to have like a clip sensor so it doesn't fall off the stairs, so we'll be testing that out as well. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start this and see how it goes.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
No. Oh. Sounded like it hit that pretty hard, but seems like it's okay. No, Rocky, get him. Hey. No. 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 Rocky. Hey. Uh-oh. Is it going for it? Is it going for the stairs? Uh-oh. Aw. Let's fake this out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh! I was about to catch it too. I think it knew. It's a smart little vacuum. You're already over here. Why you come back? Why you come back for more? Oh, yeah, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Nice. Nice. Oh, nice. You went right over the carpet. Or the rug. Hey, whoa, whoa. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can it figure it out? Is it gonna figure it out? No, 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 no. Wow. Smart vacuum. Oh no, wow, it went all the way under there. That's awesome. I feel like it's a little pet now. Come on, buddy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Oh, it knew not to go there. That's smart. As you can see, I lifted the cable up there because I didn't want it running it over. So make sure to pick up all your cables, any drapes, clothes, toys. You don't want it picking up any nails or anything. All right, so now let's test out its docking capabilities. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the dock button. See if it can find its way home. If it does, we shall name him E.T. Come on. E.T. vacuum home. Alright, that's not home. That's not home. Are you drunk? Are you drunk? Oh, it's drunk. Oh no, it's moving slow-mo. Your home is right there. So close. Seems really slow when it goes home. Pretty smart, doesn't want to get pulled over, I guess. Cool. Alright, next I'm going to pair this with the smartphone so that I can access it from the smartphone. I also have an Alexa, so I will be trying to hook it up to her so I can just tell her to tell the shark to clean the house. Since my girlfriend doesn't listen, at least Alexa will. Alright, so I went ahead and set up the app for the shark, and it has you name your vacuum, so I named her Consuela. So we'll click Consuela, and now from here we could control and tell her what to do. We could have her clean, we could schedule stuff, see the history of how often she's cleaned, and all that fun stuff. So I went ahead and went on the Alexa app and linked my shark account, so it's a skill. So make sure you select skill, and I linked the shark to the Alexa. So now I'm going to have her clean the house. Alexa, tell shark to start cleaning.
Your robot has begun cleaning.
Whoa, officially a smart home. Look at that. Alexa, tell shark to send my robot to the dock.
Okay, your robot is heading to its dock.
Wrong way. Not this way, it's that way. Dock is that way. Oh, he's scared of Rocky. Rocky, don't scare him. Her, Consuela. Consuela! Oh, Consuela's trying to go to the kitchen. Consuela, I don't want a sandwich, Consuela. Consuela, I already ate. Rocky, you don't like Consuela, do you? No? Rocky's keeping an eye on her. Dog versus vacuum. Consuela, my laundry's done. All good, thank you. Consuela, I trust you, I love you. Don't do it, Consuela, don't jump. Consuela, no! I love you, Consuela. Consuela, the trash is empty. You don't need to take it out. Thank you. Good night, Consuela. Good night. Level completed. Alright guys, so now we're gonna check what she picked up inside. So I'm gonna check the cartridge where all the dust, hair, all that fun stuff is, and see how much she collected. See how good of a job she did. She's already dusty, she's already got scuffs on her. Dirty Consuela. So as you can see right here, here's the brush. Looks like it has a few hairs in it. Alright, so the cartridge is right here. So, here's the button up front. So we're gonna click this button, pull it out. I don't know if you can see in there how much hair and dust it picked up. So, that's how you would empty this. There's also a filter, this orange piece right there, you can slide it out, that's the filter. You take the filter out and you can wash it, rinse it, but then let it dry completely before you put it back in and use it again. As you can see, there's some stuff on the filter in there, And here's all the stuff that she picked up. I didn't have her on that long, but just get an idea of how much she picked up in that short period of time. So, I think she did pretty well. Pretty good. So I definitely recommend picking up one of these if you were looking into getting it. I've always been skeptical about these robots because I never thought they would do a good job. I thought they would get stuck. But I guess with technology advancing, it's getting smarter, almost as smart as me. It's crazy how far along technology has come. Everything in this house is starting to become smart. I have the Nest that's connected, the Ring doorbell. Now I have this vacuum. I have the Alexa and the Alexa Echo and the Show. So many things connected to the house. It's starting to really become a smart home. Next, I'll be doing a video on the Alexa Echo Show. So if you look forward to that, make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named House Alexa Echo Shows. I didn't catch the other thing you said.
Shut up, Alexa. All right, she did. Good girl. So yeah, please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful. Leave any comments, questions or comments below if you're curious about the Shark Ion robot. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Then you have like some boundary strip. Yeah. Fall. So I'll definitely be there. The couch, because I do have these speaker wires. Need the couch, so I don't want the vacuum to kind of suck. All right, so right in the middle of my video, you gotta do this. Huh? Right in the middle of it. Alexa. Hey!